artificial blood. These are otherwise called synthetic oxygen carrying substances or synthetic blood. Synthetic solution that is capable of binding, transporting and underlying oxygen to the tissue. Characteristics: these are cheap, available in large amount, viscosity is similar to that of blood, does not affect the capillary circulation and can be easily stored. It stays in plasma for 24 hours, efficient oxygen uptake and delivery at physiological oxygen tension. There is no toxic or physiological effect and metabolized and eliminated by body. No clinical reaction is seen with oxygen and activation of complement system. There is no activation of complement system and there is no increase in WBC. It is stable in room temperature and maintains arterial blood pressure and pH. There are two types of oxygen carriers, like hemoglobin based oxygen carriers and perfluorocarbons. These are two vast topics and that has to be discussed later, but in this short note you have to just mention the names. What are the HbOc? Actually these are modified hemoglobins. What is modified hemoglobin? Actually free hemoglobin are toxic to human body. Like if hemoglobin is circulated in the body, free hemoglobin is circulated in the body, it may get deposited in spleen, it may get deposited in kidney and that may lead to the organ failure. So what it has been modified. This human hemoglobin tetramer cross-linked with a glycine bridge between the alpha subunit. It is produced from E. coli and this cross links prevents renal excretion. Hemoglobin solution must be free of red cell debris to avoid renal damage, and other effects include impairment of macrophage activity. Perfluorocarbons are inert chemicals with oxygen solubility 20 times that of plasma and they exist as 10% solution. These solutions are carried dissolved oxygen in the amount directly proportional to its partial pressure. What are the uses? It is used for organ preservation, for oxygen supplier in all culture medium, in perioperative hemodilution also it can be used. There is, if you want to give bridge oxygenation therapy, like you want to restore the fluid volume status or oxygen carrying capacity before surgery, so you can use this synthetic oxygen. And if there is surgical hemorrhage and it is a red blood group, you can give it. If a patient has received some blood transfusion previously and experienced hemolytic reactions or allergic blood reaction and he is refusing for blood, so you can give this synthetic blood to him after proper consent. And side effect, vasoconstriction is there. There may be systemic vasoconstriction, GI distress or nephrotoxicity also seen, hematological disturbances and neurotoxicity also seen, free radical production and altered immune function and interference with the lab studies has been seen. So there are three types of hemoglobin based oxygen carriers. One is acellular HbOc, cellular HbOc and modified hemoglobins. Out of acellular HbOc, many examples are these are two of them. Many examples are there. These are two examples. One is Hemopur, one is polythene. Hemopur has P50 of around 43 mm of Hg and hemoglobin concentration of Hemopur is 13 gram per deciliter and decay life is 20 hours and shelf life is 2 to 3 years. And what is polyheme? It is a human derived polymerized hemoglobin. It is a polymerized hemoglobin which is human derived. So P50 is around 27 to 32 mm Hg, hemoglobin constant is 10 gram per deciliter and lambda half, that is decay life is 24 hours and shelf life is 1 year. So at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Actually normal blood can be stored for 35 days and it has to be used within 24 hours, but these types of acellular HbOc samples can be stored for 2 to 3 years. That is an advantage. That is long shelf life. Other advantage are you can make a unlimited source and avoid blood transfusion associated diseases like HIV, hepatitis B and other viral diseases that can be transmitted to the blood. And blood substitute do not contain any antigens, so antigen antibody reaction won't happen in artificial blood. So these are the examples. and thank you.